Good morning, everybody. It has been so long since I picked up the camera to vlog, but I thought, you know what, there's so many exciting things happening and different plans changing and stuff like that, that I thought I should fill you in. And today is an exciting day. It's the day before this guy's 26th birthday. So we kind of have our day all booked up tomorrow with family and church plans, so we're gonna celebrate it a little bit today. We are currently headed... We're pulling a trailer right now. We are currently on our way, headed to Lowe's. Oh wait, it sounds like a jet engine.
Chevy.
We're hauling our trailer along because we are picking up a bunch of cabinets and things. We have an apartment attached to the new house we just moved to, and we need to get a whole bunch of stuff for the kitchen remodel in there and the bathroom and some stuff like that. So it's gonna take probably an hour and a half in there at least, just to pick out fixtures and the cabinets and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm kind of excited because I'm glad I get to help make the decisions and stuff, but it's Lowe's, so it's gonna be pretty much just stock stuff, nothing like super exciting. But I thought I'd take you guys along. And if you are new around here, just a little info. My name's Megan and this is my husband Josh, and we just moved to a new house. We about tripled our square footage, and so it's a really old house, so there's a lot of work that needs to be done to it. It's good bones, but it's just pretty dated, so it needs a facelift, which is kind of what we're doing right now. Anyway, this is Josh's birthday weekend, so we're gonna go golfing tonight, for better or for worse. I might just golf 9 holes or something. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I enjoy it. I love being outside and stuff, but I'm by no means good. Like, sometimes I'll have great shots and I won't know why. Like, I don't understand the technique of things. So yeah, it's bound to be interesting. So stick around if you'd like to see that, and also we'll update you on some life changes and some plans that have been in the works that have completely changed on their heads. You guys seem to just love videos where you get to follow along in our lives, so I'll try to just take the camera with me and see what we get. I'd like to say this is a typical Saturday, but there really is no typical Saturdays for us. They're all very, very different. So come along. Who knows what's gonna happen today? Fletcher sounds excited. Anyway, we'll start the day off with a trip to Lowe's. Bye, Bunny. Have fun. So I just fed this big guy, and now we are going to go in and join Josh and Ivani and make a whole pile of decisions. This place is hopping, so I don't know how many like clips I'm gonna be able to get, but I'm gonna try, and I'm just gonna man up and do my job. So I've come to the conclusion that I always just get a broken cart. I'm starting to actually wonder if all the carts are broken, because listen to this. It happens every time. Do you even hear that? It's like so loud. Oh well, you know when I'm coming. Hi, you having fun? Do you need to go potty? Let's go find the bathroom. Okay, let's go. I love this circle mirror up here, but it is about $4 cheaper at Walmart. And I think it actually might be a little bigger at Walmart. And just in case anybody's curious what Lowe's has in their storage and organization section, a lot of cute stuff. I bought things here before, especially for our nursery. I bought a bunch of like cubicles. I don't see them here though. The ones I have like leather handles. Ooh, I love this. 50% off too. That is awesome. Wait, is this all of our stuff already?
That's all the cabinets.
Oh my word. So this cabinet decision was easy. All they have is like pretty much stock cabinets.
Okay, here's your countertop colors.
Oh my. So we're just doing basic, boring, stock countertops. Are we gonna grout it with gray or with white? White, right? Do you want a snack?
Yeah.
Say snack, please.
Miss Trees.
They're being real troopers. Okay, let me explain my thought process here. I like this because it looks super natural and it looks like actual slabs of wood, whereas the stuff with all the gray tones in it, it looks like really modern, but it really doesn't look like a wood product in the least. Are you having fun? What are we doing? Are we shopping with Daddy? Are you having fun? Mommy's having fun. We're saving lots of money, so that's always fun, right? Yeah, this is the one.
Something like that?
No, it's very simple.
Oh, you want brass?
Very simple. No, this is gold. I'm looking for like a pancake plant or like some kind of tree with some drama to it, like an olive tree, or I don't know. I kind of am picturing one. There's one that like shoots up in the air and then shoots down again, kind of like a fountain, and there's leaves on the end. What? I might just leave here today without anything. I don't know, because I want kind of a tree and I'm not seeing anything I love, even though, yeah, we do have a 10% off coupon today. I'm just not sure what I want. I should just buy more paddle plants. I love them. You trying to pick a flower for me? Should mommy help you? Yeah, this is tough. 2 kids in Lowe's. That's all our stuff there. And that's all our stuff there. I think you're a big guy. Do you think you're a big guy?
You get to go, you can look at
You're
the
good.
pictures. So yeah, here's what we got.
So much stuff.
What a nice family.
No. Much of that is gonna go in the video, but we just spent $2 grand on kitchen and yeah, flooring pretty much, some backsplash stuff like that. So yeah, I'll show you more what the vision is when we get home and what the change of plans has been. Here we go. So we got home from Lowe's and I put the kids down for their naps, and I've just been like buzzing around the house trying to get it tidied up. And I just remembered I wanted to show you guys what's happening out here in our little apartment. I did say that we are going to, the plan was to rent it out as an Airbnb, but we were realizing that with renovating our house and stuff right now, it's just a lot of work. And we actually found 3 different people that were interested in like actually renting it and being tenants in the apartment. And we're like, you know what, why not? So we have a school teacher staying here till spring, and then at that point, if we want to Airbnb it, we can, which I'm thinking is what we're gonna do. We're kind of making all the decisions with that in mind, like we're gonna Airbnb it, because this is a dream we've always had, and we thought it would just be a great way to connect with people while making some money on the side. But yeah, I just don't have time to clean it every week right now, and just all the logistics of getting it up online and all that stuff. It's just, I feel like a real blessing. It might not be the exciting choice, you know, to just have a renter here, but it's just a teacher that's gonna go home every weekend. He's just gonna crash here during the week, and he'll be at school all during the day, and then he'll just be there in the evening. So I don't know, I think it's gonna be a great fit. I'm excited about it, and then we'll just continue on with our dream of turning it into an Airbnb in the spring. So I kind of wanted to show you around inside here. Let me tell my husband to turn the music off before I get copyrighted. Hey. Can you turn your music off before I get copyrighted? What are you working on right now, Josh? The ceiling?
Yep, putting ceiling roads in.
We tore out the whole ceiling because Josh claims it was ugly. And this is like the kitchen floor plan. I'll insert what it looked like before they ripped it out. But yeah, it's gonna be a kitchen kind of in an L shape. And the fridge will get set back in here. And here's the bathroom. We were picking out flooring for all in here. And the vanity will probably stay the same, just paint that white. And I'll show you more updates with that later on. Yeah, so this is just what it's looking like for now. We decided the carpet's in really good condition over here in the bedroom, and we just didn't think we'd get our money out of it if we would totally rip it up and put new stuff in, because the stuff that we have here is pretty much just fine. And here is the countertop that we went with. There's like 6 options there only, and I was not sold on this at all. I thought it's way too much of a statement and it just looks cheap to me or something. But my husband promised me that it's gonna look good when it's done, so I guess I'll trust the expert. And all these boxes behind me here are kitchen cabinets. So they gotta all get installed. And if you're wondering about the purple curtain choice, that was not us. It was just like that when we got here. So yeah, that's all gonna go. But we're gonna wait to decorate it and all that till the spring. And so that gives me a lot of time to daydream and just, yeah, plan ahead. I'm excited about it. It's buying us a little more time and it's not gonna be sitting empty, which is the main point of the whole thing. And I know there were a lot of you that were excited to potentially rent the Airbnb out, and honestly, I'm not really sure how we're gonna go about that yet. Like if I'm actually gonna list it on my YouTube channel and let you know where we're at, or if we're just gonna like kind of do it under the radar and just list it on Airbnb. I don't know yet how that's gonna work out. I'm still trying to navigate the whole line of like social media and how much information we wanna put out there and all that, because yeah, it's just a touchy subject, and once something's out there, like information or addresses, things like that, you can't get it back. And I don't really, my husband's not really worried about it at all, but I just know that once it's out there, you can't get it back. If you would have, for some reason, if you wanna, you know, keep something a secret, you can't erase it. For now, you probably don't have to look for updates on the Airbnb part till spring, but that means we get to start on renovating our house that much sooner. So the first thing is the living room, and I think we're moving on to the kitchen. And I'm going to put a poll on my YouTube feed, just asking you guys if you'd like to see like dedicated redecorating videos, like where you see the before and the after, or if you like more like the behind the scenes, picking out choices, that kind of thing. I'd love to know, because I'm gonna probably include it on my channel in some aspect, whether it's super detailed or not, probably not, because this isn't a home renovation show, but I do want to document it because I feel like it's gonna be a learning experience for me, and maybe I can help save you guys some mistakes in the future if you're gonna be doing any renovating too. So that's the apartment. If you would like to see the rest of the house, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss the video coming up on Monday, where you'll get to see our house like kind of in action. I'm gonna do a Monday reset video for y'all. And you guys can maybe reset for the week as well with me as you're watching the video. And yeah, you'll get to just see a little bit more of what we're working with in the rest of the house. So I have been waiting all day for an Amazon package to come. I ordered Josh a little birthday present as well as a few other things. So if it came, the mail goes later at this place, but if it came, I'll show it to y'all. Oh, grr. Just a bunch of junk mail. Well, it didn't arrive. That's what stinks about moving to a new place. For some reason, we had it updated online, our new address, but I don't know. For some reason, it says they send it back to our old town. So I don't know what happened. Anyway, I had some baby items coming and some underwear for Ivani, because I think she potty trained herself this week. I don't know, it's been like 4 days in a row now, so we will see if it keeps going. But anyway, so I ordered her some more underwear, and I also got Josh a microphone for his birthday, which might seem really weird. But him and Ivani like to sing in the mornings, especially Sunday mornings with the speaker going, and they like play music, and Josh plays music and they sing along. And anyway, he made the comment one time that it'd be fun to have a microphone. So I'm sorry I couldn't unbox everything for y'all, but I guess that's just how it goes sometimes. So the next time you see me will probably be on the golf course.
This is how I hit the ball straight and hit it clean. Keep the club in close to you. If you have to choke in on the club, okay, you're swinging down on the ball. There you go. Swing down. All right, right like that. No, no, no. Like up, that ball is going like that. Turn that club so that it's more like that. Okay? When you're hitting. Yep. It looks weird, but that's the way it has to be. There's two balls down. Let's go for a bounce around in here somewhere. Hopefully.
Oh, because there's a fence.
Otherwise we lost. Right there's the ball. Pick that one up. We'll take it.
We should buy stocks in Callaway or something. Titleist.
It's just frustrating when the slow golfers won't let you pass through. That's frustrating.
What? Josh is giving everybody basic golf etiquette.
Yeah, exactly right. You gonna head over the pond?
Yes, I always do. Oh, that's the funnest shot of the night.
Let me find a junk ball for you.
Shows how much faith you have in me. Oh my word.
Oh my, it's in the pond.
Oh, sploosh. My turn.
Yeah. Turn. There you go. Holy, you smoked it.
So a little update, we are on hole 9 and I think I might be beating him this hole.
Very close.
What do you think of living in a cul-de-sac by now?
I love it. It's quiet.
My thing that I don't like is that people can park in front of our house because it's street parking. It's just something to get used to.
Don't matter.
So we just got the kids to bed and I'm waiting for, oh, here you are. What'd you bring me?
Lots of good wings.
Yeah, happy birthday, Josh.
Dear God, thank you for beautiful weather. Thank you for a beautiful wife. Thank you for food and providing.
Well, we definitely demolished the medium wings. They were really good. This is 2 kinds of barbecue. They're kind of redundant if you ask me. Anyway, so that was our Saturday. I hope you enjoyed this short little glimpse into our life. I hope it's short. I always sit down to edit and they get really long. Anyway, so like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you'd like to see more. How was the golfing?
Good.
The first 9 holes are fun and then after that a guy was like, yeah, on our heels the whole time, and then there was a group of people in front of us that were taking forever, so yeah, anyway, it was fun though. I'm glad I got to go along, and I wasn't terrible.
Yeah, 50-50.
I learned a lot, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So I will see you all on Monday. Have a great rest of your day.